Friends, in this video for ithought Advisor, I am going to talk to you on the topic, another result season begins. The result season usually gets off to a start with the best companies coming out with their results one after another. As each company gives its quarterly numbers for the quarter ended June, we will know how a new financial year has begun. As each company comes out with its result for its first quarter ending June, we will come to know how companies are managing inflationary challenges. It's certainly not easy because first we saw wage inflation, then we saw inflation of critical raw materials, then we are seeing inflation of currencies, exchange rates. The dollar is appreciating against the rupee. We are also going to see inflation of financial costs because interest rates are again going up. So, multi-pronged inflation is now before us, and it will be very interesting to see how companies manage this environment, how some of them turn them in their favor, how some benefit from them, and how the markets view all of these. Interestingly, this quarter, the IT companies have kind of staggered their results. Usually, we will see the IT companies come one after another in the first fortnight itself. But this time, you are seeing companies like Infosys defer their results to the 20s. They are coming after the 20th. Now, this is unusual. So, one must see why these results are coming late and what's in store for us. The first few companies will still be bellwether results. They'll tell us how the season has begun. And if more people are going to defer their results and come later, we should probably assume that they want to see how the better guys are doing and then come out with their performance, or they want to just cushion expectations and sober things down before they come out with the result. Certainly, everybody is cautious and definitely not gung-ho about bringing these results to us. But a difficult environment and a result season under such circumstances has great value for us, and we can make something out of such a phase. So, the next 1 month will see results come out, expectations get reset, some disappointments give us opportunities, and we would also be able to participate in companies where we have high conviction. Bottom-up investing will certainly be possible under these circumstances because the markets may be more reactive during this result season than they were in earlier result seasons. So, some companies can be sold more aggressively on news which is seen as adverse. In fact, the reaction may be overdone. When you see such a reaction, you can invest in such companies. When leaders in an industry give out disappointing numbers, the entire industry could get sold because people may take an adverse view of the whole industry and all the stocks may get sold. But if you have conviction in one company and want to scale up your position in that company, such a fall in stock price can be an extremely attractive opportunity for you. So, you need to prepare. You need to look at every result. You need to understand what the management promised and how performance varies from the promise. You need to measure performance as outperformance or underperformance, and you need to also see how analysts and existing investors are reacting to results in each company. Overall, the coming month should be very interesting from a point of view of resetting our expectations, creating fresh learnings, adapting to an inflationary environment, revisiting our portfolio to bring in some freshness for the future, and scaling up investments when the markets are temporarily unhappy about a company. So, these times are meant to be very actively utilized by every investor to study, to observe, to learn, to conclude, to evaluate, and most importantly, to participate. Thank you for watching this video.